Hello, my name is Charlie Rush, and I'm a plant pathologist with Texas AgriLife Research in Amarillo, Texas. The presentation I gave today was on a study that we did in Amarillo this year. We were looking at the impact of differential timing of infection on of the potato plant and how disease developed over time. We started when plants were just 1 week out of the ground, and we inoculated them with psyllids that were carrying the bacterium that causes the disease every week until 1 week before harvest. Basically what we found is that when the disease or when the psyllids infect the plant very early in the season, you're going to have greatly reduced yield, greatly increased infection, and this is really no surprise. The bad news from our study is that even infestations as late as 13 days before harvest will still end up causing problems in the crop. When you harvest those tubers that were infested 13 days, where the plants were infested 13 days earlier, there are no symptoms on the above ground part of the plant or on the tubers. When you dig them up and cut them and look at them, they look perfectly healthy. But if you slice those and then fry them like you would with either French fries or potato chips, they fry brown. And so that would not be economically suitable for the processors. And so it ends up being a quality issue. And so that is really unfortunate for the growers. And so what we've talked about is the need to improve the ability to be able to detect the pathogen and diseased plants in the field, and also monitor psyllids coming in. If we are ever going to be able to come up with disease management strategies where we use less chemicals, which would be a good thing both economically and environmentally, we're going to be able to do a much better job than we can right now in being able to predict the risk that these farmers would face if they skip a pesticide application. Potatoes are a highly valuable crop, and right now they're just not willing to risk the entire crop for one single spray.